Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another session of learning mathematics with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 6 to question 14 of the Loyola JC College Entrance Examination Mathematics Paper 5. Subscribe to this channel. This will enable you to get access to more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your Loyola JC College Entrance Examination. Okay, so let's begin. So question 6 and question 7 are not accessible due to an omission error in the past questions. Okay, so let's move on to question 8 now. Question 8 says, what is the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 10, 7, and 4? So the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 10, 7, and 4 is the LCM of the numbers. So simply put, this question is asking us to find the LCM of 10, 7, and 4. So first of all, what is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. Okay, so there are different methods of finding the lowest common multiple of numbers, such as the listing multiples method and the prime factorization method. In this video, I'll be using the prime factorization method. So using the prime factorization method, the first step is to express each number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so what are prime factors? Prime factors are the prime numbers that can be multiplied together to get a number. Okay, so the prime factors of 10 are 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are prime numbers. When we multiply them together, we get 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. Then 7 is 1 times 7. This is because 7 is a prime number. Okay, so 1 times 7 will give 7. Then the prime factors of 4 are 2 and 2. So that is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 would make up 4. Now that we have found the prime factors of each of these numbers, the next thing is to multiply the prime factors, but the common factors are included just one. So let's start with the smallest prime factor. So we have 1, then 2. 2 is common to 10 and 4. So we write it just once, 2. Then we still have another 2 here, so we write it down. Then 5, then 7. So we have 1 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 7 is 140. So the LCM of 10, 7, and 4 is 140. This means that the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 10, 7, and 4 is 140. So 140 can be divided exactly by 10, by 7, and 4. Okay, so the correct answer is 140. So which of the following options is correct? Of course, the correct option is option A, 140. Check. Question 9. A boy scored 10 in a total test of 96 questions. What is his percentage score? Oh, this is so low. This is a bad score. 10 out of 96? No, that's very low. That's very low. Okay, so please study hard so that you don't be like this boy. Okay, it's good to always have good scores. 10 out of 96 is very poor. Okay, so that's just by the way. Okay, so now let's find the percentage score. So first of all, what is percent? So percent means per 100. Cent is 100. Okay, per 100. So we are asked to calculate the boy's score per 100. So percentage score is given as score divided by total number of questions multiplied by 100. His score is 10, then the total number of questions is 96 multiplied by 100. So we now have 10 divided by 96 multiplied by 100. 10 multiplied by 100 is 1000. Then 1000 divided by 96 can be done here. 1000 divided by 96 is 10. 10 times 96 is 960. 1000 minus 960 is 40. Then 40 divided by 96 is not possible. So what do? We add 0 to it and then we put a decimal point here. Okay, so 400 divided by 96 now is 4. 4 times 96 is 384. 400 minus 384 is 16. Then 16 is not divisible by 96, so we add 0. 160 divided by 96 is 1. 1 times 96 is 96. 160 minus 96 is 64. Okay, so 64 is not divisible by 96, so we add 0 again. So we have 640. 640 divided by 96 is 6. 6 times 96 is 576. 640 minus 576 is 64. So this division goes on and on. So we continue to have 666 like that. So we have to stop it here. So we have 10.416. And in the options, all the options have two decimal places. So that means that we have to approximate 10.416 to two decimal places. So 10.416 corrected to two decimal places is 10.42. So the percentage score of this board is 10.42%. So you can see that this percentage score is very low. It's very, very low. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 10.42. That's the percentage score of this board. Okay, so question 10 is also not accessible due to omission error. Okay, so let's move on to question 11 now. Question 11 says, find the LCM of 6 and 7. Okay, so A is 42, B is 84, C is 45, D is 47. So first of all, what is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. So we have done this before. So using the prime factorization method, the first step is to express each number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and the prime factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Then the second step is to multiply the prime factors, but the common factors are included once. But there are no common factors here, so we just multiply everything. So we start from the smallest prime factor. So we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, then 6 times 7 is 42. So the LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 42. Check. Question 12. If it costs 475 naira to buy 12 sugar cubes, what will it cost to buy 1,900 sugar cubes? Okay, so this is very easy. So the first thing is that how much will 12 sugar cubes cost? Okay, so the question says if it costs 475 naira to buy 12 sugar cubes. So 12 sugar cubes cost 475 naira. Okay. Now, what will it cost to buy 1,900 sugar cubes? Before we can do this, let's find the amount for just one sugar cube. So one sugar cube will cost 475 naira divided by 12. Okay. So now, for us to be able to guess the cost of 1,900 sugar cubes, all we have to do is to multiply the cost of one sugar cube by 1,900. That's all. So now we have 475 naira divided by 12 multiplied by 1,900. So now we have to do 475 naira multiplied by 1,900 here. Okay, so 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 9 is 45, so write 5, carry 4, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, then 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 9 is 63, so write 3, carry 6, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, then 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 9 is 36, so write 6, carry 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have 7,600. Okay, so we can add this together now. 0 plus nothing is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. So write 2, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So now we have 902,500. Okay, so we have 902,500 naira divided by 12. So let's do that here now. So 902,500 divided by 12. Let's do this using the log division method. Okay, so let's find the first possible digit that is divisible by 12, and that is 90. So 90 divided by 12 is 7. 7 times 12 is 84. 90 minus 84 is 6. So 6 is not divisible by 12, so we drop down the next digit, which is 2. So we have 62. 62 divided by 12 is 6. 6 times 12 is 60. 62 minus 60 is 2. 2 is not divisible by 12, so we drop down the next digit, which is 5. So we have 25 now. 25 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. 1 is not divisible by 12, so we drop down the next digit, which is 0. So 10 divided by 12 is not possible, so we write 0. Then we drop down the next digit, which is 0. So now we have 100. 100 divided by 12 is 8. 8 times 12 is 96. 100 minus 96 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 12, so we put 0. So we add 0 and then we put a decimal point here. So 40 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 12 is 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. So this is still going to continue. So we begin to have 76,208.333333. So we can just stop it here. Okay, so this means that 902,500 naira divided by 12 is 76,208 naira 33 kobo. So this means that 1,900 sugar cubes will cost 76,208 naira 33 kobo. Okay, so now which of the following options is correct? Of course, the correct option is option C, 75,208 naira 33 kobo. Check. Question 13 now. Find the area of the trapezium shown. Okay, so this is a trapezium. So what is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral that has two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. So the area of a trapezium is given as half times parallel sides times the distance between them. So these are the parallel sides and then this is the distance between them. The parallel sides are denoted by B1 and B2. Then the distance between the parallel sides is denoted by H. Okay, so B1 and B2 are the parallel sides, H is the distance. Okay, B1 here is 70 centimeter, B2 is 146 centimeter, then the height is 352 centimeter. So now let's use the formula. So half times B1 plus B2 times H. So half times 70 centimeter plus 146 centimeter multiplied by 352 centimeter. So we have to do the operation in bracket first. That is 70 centimeter plus 146 centimeter. 0 plus 6 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 70 centimeter plus 146 centimeter is 216 centimeter. So now we have half times 216 centimeter multiplied by 352 centimeter. Okay, so let's do 216 centimeter multiplied by 352 centimeter. So let's do that here. 2 times 6 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. Write 0, carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3, that's 8. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 3 times 6 is 18. Write 8, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So now let's add this together. 2 plus nothing is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So write 0, carry 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. So 216 centimeter multiplied by 352 centimeter is 76,032 centimeter square. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter is centimeter square. So now we have half times 76,032 centimeter square. So 1 times 76,032 centimeter square divided by 2. Okay, so now we have 76,032 centimeter square divided by 2. We can do that here. 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, so we drop down the next digit, which is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So now we drop down the next digit, which is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Okay, so now let's drop the next digit, which is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, so we drop down the last digit, which is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. We've been able to completely divide 76,032 by 2. Okay, and that is 38,016 centimeter square. So this means that the area of this trapezium is 38,016 centimeter square. So which of the following options is correct? Of course, the correct option is A, 38,016.0 centimeter square. Check. Now to the final question in this video, question 14. Evaluate 3,933.13 minus 3,355.36. Okay, so this is very easy. This is just simple subtraction. So these are decimal numbers and we have to subtract them. So we place the numbers on top of each other and subtract. That's all. So let's start with this. So 3 minus 6 is not possible. So we have to get 1 from the next digit, which is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this remains 0 now. We put the 1 here, it becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we get 1 from the next digit, which is 3, and it remains 2. Then we put the 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then drop the decimal point. Then we now have 2 minus 5. But 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take 1 from the next digit, which is 3. Then it remains 2. Then put the 1 here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then this is now 2. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to get 1 again from the next digit, which is 9. So it remains 8. Put the 1 here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then this is now 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we do not write it. So now we have 577.77. So this means that 3,933.13 minus 3,355.36 is 577.77. Okay, so the correct option here is option B, 577.77. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.